Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Sprint Retrospective is one of the 5 events defined in the Scrum framework as per the Scrum guide. It is a dedicated meeting conducted at the end of every sprint where the Scrum team reflects on how the sprint went and identifies ways to improve in the next sprint. Sprint Retrospective is a structured discussion where the team talks about what went well, what did not go well, and what can be improved. It actually focuses on improving the process, teamwork, and collaboration, and not on reviewing the product. The goal here is to understand how the team worked together during the sprint and how that way of working can be made better in future. The sprint retrospective is the engine of continuous improvement in Scrum. It helps the team improve productivity, collaboration, communication, and overall performance. When teams regularly reflect and adapt, they become more effective over time. Without retrospective, the team may keep repeating the same mistakes sprint after sprint without learning from them. Sprint retrospective happens after the sprint review and before the next sprint planning. It is the final event of every sprint. Once the product increment is reviewed with stakeholder, the team then turns inward to inspect its own way of working before planning the next sprint. The sprint retrospective happens once every sprint. For a 1 month sprint, it is time boxed to maximum of 3 hours. For shorter sprint, the duration is proportionally shorter. For example, 1.5 hour to 1 hour for a 2 week sprint. The time box ensures focused discussions without turning it into a long or exhausting meeting. The sprint retrospective is attended by the entire Scrum team, the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and developers. The Scrum Master facilitates the session and ensures a safe and open environment. This means everyone gets a chance to speak and discussion stays respectful, constructive, and focused on improvement rather than a blame game. External stakeholders, managers, clients, or anyone outside of the Scrum team should not attend the retrospective. This is because the meeting requires open and honest discussion. The presence of outsiders may prevent team members from speaking freely. Keeping the retrospective within the Scrum team helps build trust and psychological safety. In a typical retrospective, the team sets the stage, gathers data, identifies root cause of issues, and decides concrete improvement actions. Team may use simple techniques like start, stop, continue, mad, sad, glad, or the 4Ls to guide discussion. The most important outcome is not the discussion itself, but the discussion on clear improvement actions. The meeting must end with a specific action item that the team commit to try in the next sprint. If team does not conduct sprint retrospective, problems continue, morale decreases, and improvement stops. Over time, Scrum becomes just task delivery instead of framework for growth and excellence. The team deliver work, but learning, collaboration, and continuous improvement slowly fade away. Thank you for watching. I hope this video might have given you some useful insights on sprint retrospective.